Good morning, hello, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. Now, I have a confession. It is Wednesday. I did film on Friday and I did film on Saturday. But when I turned the camera on this morning, I inadvertently went File, Menu, Format. That means all the footage from Friday and Saturday is no more. I'm so cross with myself because that's all the footage of our lovely embroidered lily class, and everyone did so well. It was so nice. In fact, I'm going to put a picture up here now that I did take of everybody at the end of the class. And as you can see, everyone made some really nice lilies. They were really delighted with them. But I'm gutted that I've managed to delete absolutely everything. In fact, I can't even remember what I did now other than teach that class on Friday and Saturday. I think it was mainly just packaging orders and moving furniture around. Oh no, I know what we did. Oh gosh, you've missed all of the vintage fabric sale. All of that on Friday. We were all set up outside. It looks so nice. Oh, bum. So cross. Hang on, I'll put up a picture again. I did take pictures. So as you can see, we were all set up with everything outside. Everyone was able to come along and purchase bits and bobs. But today I have a challenge. Today I'm going to be setting up BTHQ al fresco. So I'll take you outside and I'll show you what it looks like at the moment. This is BTHQ al fresco. It's going to be based here alongside the hedge, and it's going to be a nice place where you can come and socially distant craft and try and get a bit of your BTHQ fix whilst you can't come inside the doors. So yes, let's get set up. So I've set up outside now. It's a bit noisy because the traffic's going past, but we can't have the brollies up at the moment because it's a little bit windy. I need to get some weights, I think, to hold them down. Likewise, I haven't put my buckets and my posts out yet because I need to get some sand. But in practice, it works. We've sat out there and tested it all, and everything is 2 meters apart. And we've put tape on the floor, so when I put the chairs out every day, I know where to put them. So the bases will just stay out and everything else will come in. Subsequently, I've had to clear the lounge area. Oops, we're on zoom in. I've cleared the lounge area so that we can put all the chairs and tables and brollies and things in here overnight, so that I can put them out as and when we need them. So in preparation, we've also stocked up on hand sanitizers and disinfectant spray. I went to B&M at the weekend. We've also got ourselves some disposable cups so that we can serve tea and coffee. The idea being is that I will always make the drinks and then I will take them to the door here, put them onto our little tray table, and you can come and pick up your tea and coffee. If you do want to come to the loo while you're using the outside space, then you're going to come in through our other doorway, and then you won't have to come in here. You'll be able to come in through this door, which will be unlocked. Again, we've got sanitizer, tissues, wipes and things there for people, and you can walk straight through. This doorway will be open, this banner won't be there, and you'll be able to come through, access the toilets without having to touch anything on your way through. We've just filmed a little video, but Izzy is busy colouring in. Show them what you're doing.
This is very
a little ceramic frog pot with the porcelain pens that we got from Baker Ross. I'm currently preparing and working out how to teach a sewing class without actually sewing. I'm using pattern paper instead of fabric that I've cut to size, so I can do a mini version of our raggy bag class because it takes a lot of materials and I don't actually need to demonstrate the sewing part because it's really very easy. It's more the layout, so I thought I would be able to do that with paper. So we'll see how I go. Quick emergency run. Typically it has just started to rain, so everything has had to come back in, and now what was nice and organised has become organised chaos. But while it started to rain, I was doing a little board here with available fabrics and some of the prices on it. I've tidied up, you can't see it because there's a table in the way now, tidied up all the fabrics on display. And obviously I've had to bring the table and chairs back in. So yeah, packaged your orders, thanks very much. and I haven't really got anything else to share with you, so I'm so sorry. This week's BTHQ banter is going to be tiny, really boring, and it's missing loads of really good stuff. I'm really gutted, but what can I do? So I'm going to edit it together, get it uploaded for you for Friday morning, and then hopefully next week I won't do something stupid and format the memory card. I'm just glad that I did actually pull off all of the course information from the course that I filmed, so I managed to get that edited and uploaded, thankfully. So I'll see you all again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, it is Thursday. It is 4 o'clock and I haven't as yet edited BTHQ banter. So I thought I'd sneak this one in as a quickie. So I went to place a fabric order this afternoon to add to an already existing order, and in doing so the lovely chappie said to me, "It's all ready, we'll get it posted out to you." And I said, "Is there any chance I could collect it?" Because they're only in North London. And he said yes. So Izzy and I have just got in the car, driven all the way to North London and picked up the fabric order, and I thought I would drop it at BTHQ on my way home, so let me show you. So I've got a whole boot full of lovely fabrics. I'll get it all indoors and then I can show you properly. So these are all unpacked now. These are the gorgeous quilting cottons I've got. Got this beautiful rainbow cheetah and lovely rainbow stars. Got this gorgeous bee fabric. These are all 100% quilting cottons. I love this pandas. I think this is definitely going to have to be a Sylvie dress. Pink fruits. These gorgeous rainbow umbrellas. More lemons and more lemons. Yeah. Oh, and rainbow glitters back in stock as well, which is great. Because lots of my ladies are dressmakers, they bag makers, it's always handy to have plain fabrics for linings. So I did get some plain ones today as well. And then I got lots more of our cotton poplin. I got more of our giraffe. I got this lovely black and daisy sewing machines, cool cherries, and then some more Christmassy ones. So I've got more of the gold and grey, but I've got red and grey, which is red and gold, which is beautiful, and also a nice cream and gold. And then these are amazing. These are glittered cottons, but it's actual real glitter that's been stuck on here, so these are quite tough, but I reckon they've made lovely bags and boxes. But look how beautiful that is, really shimmery. And then I also got this lovely cerise pink one as well, and as I say, it's real glitter on there. Absolutely love those. I've got them all lined up like a proper little fabric shop. I can't wait to be able to start cutting into these tomorrow. So I'm going to go home now, get them all up onto our Facebook page. I'm not going to put them onto the website because it's too hard to manage stock levels and everything else. Instead I have my trusty piece of paper, so I know what I've got. And as people place their orders and I invoice them, then they can either have it posted to them or come and pick it up here from BTHQ. So that really is it for BTHQ banter this week. I will say goodbye and hopefully remember to edit this before I go to bed, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.